My favorite poem.
How Did You Die? By Edmund Vance Cook. Did you tackle that trouble that came your way with a resolute heart and cheerful? Or hide your face from the light of day with a craven soul and fearful? Oh, a trouble's a ton, or a trouble's an ounce, or a trouble is what you make it, and it isn't the fact that you're hurt that counts, but only how did you take it? You were beaten to earth? Well, what's that? Come up with a smiling face. It's nothing against you to fall down flat, but to lie there, that's disgrace. The harder you're thrown, why the higher you bounce. Be proud of your blackened eye. It isn't the fact that you're licked that counts. It's how did you fight, and why? And though you be done to the death, what then? If you battled the best you could, if you played your part in the world of men, why, the critical call it good. Death comes with a crawl, or comes with a pounce, and whether he's slow or spry, it isn't the fact that you're dead that counts, but only how did you die.
This poem is my favorite because of how personal it is to me. The very first line of the poem states, "Did you tackle that trouble that came your way?" And to me, after diving deep into this poem, it's asking how you've handled all the barriers that have been placed before you during your lifetime. And when looking at the last line that states, "It isn't the fact that you're dead that counts, but only how did you die?" I believe that this poem is really asking how happy you would be with your life story if you were to die today. Looking back on your life and how happy you are with the choices you made, the opportunities you either passed up or took, or are you happy with the story you're leaving behind overall? The reason this poem hits home to me so much is because 2 years ago, I lost one of my best friends in a car accident. He was someone who would always jump to every opportunity and every chance he had to have, and to just be around the people he loved. He left this world with a very heartwarming story behind him, and he's known as one who's always lived his life to the fullest. He's my inspiration for every choice that I have made today, and he's the reason I fight hard through every battle that I face. We don't have a choice when it's our chance to go. We can only fight like hell to make the most of it. There are some people who have come close to death and had some crazy experiences, and that goes to show us all how hard they're fighting. They had the chance to give up or to keep fighting. For example, in my hometown, a young girl got in a very bad car accident this summer and was in a coma for over 2 months. The community came together and everyone was praying for her, but what it truly came down to was her battle and how hard she fought it. She now is going to therapy. She's making improvements every day. She's a true fighter and a miracle. In the poem it says, "The harder you're thrown, the higher you bounce." And I believe that goes hand in hand with this teen's battle, because she was thrown a huge battle and she came from the battle stronger than ever. If I had to sum up this poem in a short sentence, it would be that it's not about what life throws at us, but how we catch it that defines who we are. Going back to the last line, it isn't the fact that you're dead that counts, but only how did you die. In my own words, that means we're all going to die, but what matters the most is the story we leave behind. Are you happy with yours? Thank you.